I welcome you to the useful channel. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell. In this video you will learn how get rid of lice. Watch video. The two most important measures to combat headaches in shamas are shampooing and combing out to the Greek, since lice do not live long after removal from the head. Cleaning the house does not affect the development of head lice in any way. It is needed more to maintain hygiene. Removal of feces, dead and dead, blames her own calm under she develops washing and vacuuming. Wash in hot water at least 60 degrees bed linen and towels and clothes of an infected person. Pay special attention to headaches. After washing, dry all the clothes in a hot dryer and then iron them with a hot iron. If the thing cannot be washed at home, give them a dry cleaning. Vacuum clean the sleeper of furniture and carpet upholstery, which could remain hair with glued looks. Do not forget about all objects that could come into contact with the head, for example, a car seat. Apply special anti-parasitic agents. Shampoo and creams and ointments. For conventional washing shampoos, they differ in that they contain chemical or biological additives. These components are poisonous to bloodsuckers but relatively safe for children. The main drugs that are used to treat head lice are benzyl benzoate, hit doses of permethrin. It can be both shampoo and cream for external use. It happens in children's shamas. A feast is usually given to Matrion. This drug is able to paralyze parasites and relatively safe for children. Effective shampoos from V-neck on the shelves of pharmacies a lot, but most of them calculated for us with growth as such. Preparations as species type 2X. Wound perman chemistry. Tar petalin shampoo if the age of the child allows and can be used to get rid of lice. Hair dye whose composition is ammonia. You just need to dye your hair. Following instructions during the painting is better to cover the head with a bag or film and wrap a towel. Adult insects should die from evaporation, but nits will remain alive and they will need to be combed out intensively and persistently so that they did not have time to hatch. This method can harm the hair of the baby and scalp. Recovery will need another pharmacy inexpensive means. Chemorachnia. Water. It will not only relieve head lice but also improve the condition of the hair, however you will have to use it several times a week. Comb dry hair with an ordinary comb to release tangled hair. Apply the product on the hair in strict accordance with the instructions. Leave the product on the hair for the time specified in the instructions. After this time, combing the hair with a frequent comb usually includes a complex product. To remove dead lice and their eggs, think the head with an ordinary shampoo and treat the hair with a 2% solution of table vinegar. It will destroy if with which eggs are attached to the hair and thus contributes to their better combing for several days daily. Comb the hair, remove the remaining eggs if at the same time cherish live lice. Either this means does not work or you violated through 7 to 8 days. Be sure to check the hair visually using detecting combs. If you find live young cats, repeat all over again until they become adults and lay their eggs. Radical methods will also be called a haircut. On bare he is the easiest available because lice will not be able to crawl through your hair if they are shorter and 3 to 4 millimeters, but you have to for a few weeks to sacrifice a beautiful haircut. There are boys who wear such a haircut all the time. To the question of how to get rid of lice and nits forever in one day at home quickly, he really adds, upload quickly and forever but minus associated with hair loss makes it impossible for girls and women. Before applying these recommendations, be sure to consult your doctor. If you like this video, put like, subscribe to the channel under the video and share the link to this video with your friends and acquaintances. Bye bye.